Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you Microsoft Edge browser inside how to use Internet Explorer, because everyone know Internet Explorer now is not working, totally is not found. If you having also old operating system, old backup, any operating system, some operating system is working, but most of the cases all updated operating system Internet Explorer totally not working. You can download it. When you try to open, automatically open Edge browser. And Edge browser inside how to use Internet Explorer browser some features. Also Internet Explorer browser, some government site and some private websites link you can using Edge browser inside. How to do it? We will show this all setting, because this video I will showing this one Internet Explorer we can found or not found. We search menu Internet Explorer not available. Whenever you are searching Internet Explorer, automatically is coming Microsoft Edge. Take a look, the Internet Explorer is not available. Okay, now first of all go to the three dot setting, then after setting go to the setting. They are having a default option, default browser. The default browser allowed to this the reloaded in the Internet Explorer. We have to make enable allow. After allow, automatically restarted. After restarted, if you want to some website, you have to be added the link, and some website no needed to add link. This one the private website is linked. Okay, because my website needed to add, this is the website link. After add, go to the preferences of something is we can change setting, themes, and then after a search button you can check there also internet. We can found this internet setting. This setting is Internet Explorer mode. This is the most important setting, which one we using a Microsoft Edge browser inside. We have to enable this one. First enable, check this one. First disable, make enable. We can check this. There is the Internet Explorer button, mode button, this one. Okay, now we want to accessing our website. First of all click this one. It's loading. You can check this one is working. That means my site is working, Internet Explorer site is working, Microsoft Edge browser. What we do only for Microsoft Edge browser inside just make it enable or make it a button Internet Explorer mode. That's it. Thank you very much.